18 Most effective ways to get rid of hiccups. Everyone has experienced hiccups at some point in their lives. While hiccups normally go away on their own after a few minutes, they can be bothersome and make eating and talking difficult. People have devised a plethora of methods to get rid of them, ranging from breathing into a paper bag to consuming a teaspoon of sugar. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm spasms uncontrollably. When your vocal cords spasm, you inhale quickly and your vocal cords clamp shut, making a characteristic sound. Here are the most common and effective hiccup remedies. 1. Breathe slowly and deliberately. Slow, measured breathing will disrupt your respiratory system. Breathe in for 5 counts and out for 5 counts. 2. Hold your breath for a moment. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds before gently exhaling. As needed, repeat the process. 3. Breathe into a paper bag. Cover your mouth and nose with a paper bag. Slowly inhale and exhale to deflate and inflate the bag. 4. Hug your knees. Take a seat in a comfortable position. For 2 minutes, bring both knees to your chest and hold them. 5. Compress your chest. Compress your chest by leaning or bending forward, putting pressure on your diaphragm. 7. Pull on your tongue. The nerves and muscles in your throat are stimulated by pulling on your tongue. Gently pull the tip of your tongue forward once or twice. 8. Squeeze your nose shut as you swallow water. 9. Squeeze your palm. Use your thumb to press down on the palm of the opposite hand. 10. Massage your carotid artery. For 5 to 10 seconds, lie down, turn your head to the left, and massage the artery on the right side in a circular motion. 11. Drink ice water. The vagus nerve can be stimulated by slowly sipping cold water. 12. Take a drink from the other side of the glass. To drink from the far side, tip the glass up beneath your chin. 13. Drink a glass of warm water slowly, without pausing to catch your breath. 14. Drink water through a cloth or paper towel. Sip from a glass of cold water that has been covered with a cloth or paper towel. 15. Suck on an ice cube. Suck on the ice cube for a few minutes before swallowing it when it has shrunk to a manageable size. 16. Eat a spoonful of honey or peanut butter. Before swallowing, let it dissolve in your mouth for a few seconds. 17. Suck on a lemon. Some people salt their lemon slices. To protect your teeth from the citric acid, rinse your mouth with water. 18. Take a drop of vinegar and place it on your tongue. Choose your favorite hiccup prevention method and good luck. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like this one.